Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a deeper perspective on a topic that affects all of us, time management. But rather than just sharing tips and tricks, we're going to delve into the philosophy of time management. Understanding the underlying principles can transform how you approach your day, your goals, and ultimately, your life. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the concept that time is our most precious, non-renewable resource. Unlike money or material possessions, time is something we can never get back once it's spent. Every moment that passes is gone forever. This realization urges us to be mindful of how we use our time, making it essential to prioritize what truly matters. The philosophy here is to treat time with the same, if not more, care and respect as any other valuable resource. Second, the power of presence. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in multitasking, but true productivity and fulfillment come from being fully present in the moment. The philosophy of presence teaches us that time management is not just about doing more in less time, but about fully engaging with whatever you're doing. Whether it's work, spending time with loved ones, or even enjoying a hobby, being present can make time feel more abundant and life more meaningful. Third, the illusion of control. While we can plan and organize our time, life is unpredictable. Unexpected events can throw off even the most well-laid plans. The philosophy here is to balance control with flexibility. Accept that not everything will go according to plan, and that's okay. Learning to adapt and flow with changes, rather than resisting them, can lead to a more balanced and less stressful approach to time management. Fourth, time is a reflection of values. How you choose to spend your time is a direct reflection of what you value most in life. If you find yourself constantly busy but not feeling fulfilled, it might be time to reassess your priorities. The philosophy here is to align your time with your values. If you value health, make time for exercise and self-care. If you value relationships, prioritize time with family and friends. Your schedule should be a mirror of what's truly important to you. Finally, the legacy of time. How you spend your time today shapes your future and the legacy you leave behind. The choices you make now will impact not only your life but potentially the lives of others. The philosophy of time management is about recognizing that every moment is an opportunity to contribute to your legacy, whether through your work, relationships, or personal growth. By thinking long-term and focusing on meaningful activities, you can create a life that you're proud of. So there you have it, the philosophy of time management. Understanding time is a non-renewable resource, the power of presence, the illusion of control, time is a reflection of values, and the legacy of time. These concepts go beyond traditional time management techniques, offering a deeper understanding of how to live a more intentional and fulfilling life. If this video resonated with you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into personal development and the philosophy of life. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to cherish your time and use it wisely.